On site with Lee. He loves his PPE.
Okay then, so we're back on site again today. Something a little bit different. I've got some support with me today. Andy, our principal architect at Purple. You know what that means? Yep, better camera work and more sensible techno babble. So as you can see, level crossing site, and we're here working with Innovate UK to see how SiYtE can improve safety in up to 6,000 level crossings around the country. The number of use cases we can look at with people and vehicles. This one in particular, blocking back. That's when vehicles wanting to turn across the road, block back across the level crossing. When the barriers come down, presents a safety issue. So I'm going to hand over to Andy now to talk about the solution that's going to go in. Quick, the level crossing's coming out, go.
Great to be here with Lee. So, we're in this level crossing, as you can see it's just going down. I'm going to talk to you about the bits of kit we're putting in. One is the Edge compute device, which you'll have seen on Purple unmasked. That's to do inference on the traditional cameras so we can get object detection. And we've also got the gateway, 4G gateway with PoE that allows you to connect the peripherals.
Okay, thanks Andy, really insightful. Right, let's go and put this equipment in now. Now stay tuned, and see you soon on the next On Site with Lee.